people might not realise is that it's a lovely quiet development with access off Milburn Rd, close in walking distance to primary and high schools that are both highly regarded.
What I love about it is it has internal access from a double garage, so it can be pouring rain, click on the remote control straight into the garage, perfect for a young mother with babies or prams or even someone who's a little bit older. Absolutely fantastic.
And there's still quite a few people here that still are original owners. So that's really, I think, a nice area, and it's a nice facility, and it's got a lovely ambience about it.
Well, the best thing about this place is walking, nothing to do. Single level living, new floorboards, new carpets, it's been freshly painted right throughout, beautifully manicured backyard, basically nothing to do. So what you spend to buy the place, you don't have to spend any more. Absolutely fantastic.